Hello again, back at it again. I'm on the road again. This is a place that I was looking at and I'm hoping that I can still get it, but negotiation, as I said, the prices of stuff is very expensive. So I'll show you. I'm hoping at some point I'll get it, but let's see. So we're in a residential area, which you get a lot of properties here, so which is good, and there's commercial properties here, so you get foot traffic, which is good. That's what you need. You need places that people is already going already, so there's shop, you get salons, so you get people going by as well. You get a salon, you get chicken shop, mollies, which is good. This is where it is. This little spot here. Hopefully at some point I'll get it. They're doing some refurbishment and stuff. There's another convenience store beside it, and further up there's more shop. There's a little shop on the corner there, and there is a school up there on that street. And there's a few more schools along the way. Bus pass here regularly, so it's a busy area. There's another school further down. There's a lot of shops up that side. There's a row of shops. There's a lot. Post office, everything is up there, so it's a good spot. There's a shop here, but like I said, hopefully in the near future I'll be getting this one. I'll have this one. Nice little spot. Like I said, it'll be good. Have that one. Alright, I'm gonna check this bakery out and see if they can supply me with nice fresh bread. Let's see what I got.
I accept cards, not cash. Oh, okay. She accepts cash. Okay.
See if they will supply me. Nice hard low bread.
Yeah, you want a large one?
Yes.
5 pound and then 4 pound for the medium.
It is possible as well, let's see.
The same price to go. This will be the medium size.
Sorry, is your manager around?
Yes.
Can I speak to them, please? Basically, I was asking if you guys can supply bread.
Bread?
Yeah, resale, like a hotel, like a to resell, like wholesale price.
We sell wholesale bread.
You sell wholesale? Oh, can I get contact details?
Yes. Both sizes.
Alright, they do, so I'm gonna find out the prices and stuff. I can get some more stuff. The buns, all of that. Grated cake, the fruit cake. They supply these things.
Sorry.
Sorry. And we got little cakes around, we got patties. Alright, we can try things, see what's happening. Alright, so we're trying another place. There's another place called Patty King. I'm gonna see what they like. The patty is nice in here, so I'm gonna see if they do it or not. Let's see what go on. So, cocoa bread as well. Okay, now we found a National Bakery. I don't know if you guys know about National, but National is a big company in Jamaica that supply bakeries. Do all the baking, which is, if I go Jamaica, that's where I'll be going to get my supply from them. And it turns out there is a distribution center here, and that's not too far away from me, so I'll be going to them. So I'm gonna go online, do all the product reviewing, and then I will set my orders, and then we can start from there. So that's where I'll get all the biscuits and all the buns and all the snacks and stuff like that. So that can work nicely. So depending on the pricing, let's see how that works, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, so it's a good look today. Been out today just going around checking places and see where I can find good distributor of Jamaican goods, and I find some good places that can do patties and can do oddlow bread and buns and spice bun, all of them stuff. So I gotta go around and check a few of the place that does patty and do a taste check, because some of them they say it's Jamaican patty but it's not. So I will have to have a go at them and see what they like. Let's think about it. I've been to one earlier. There's another one that I went to and they wouldn't supply because they can't keep up with the demand, so they're not able to supply me now. But their one is really nice. That's so far, that's like the closest to Jamaican patty I've ever tasted since I've been in the UK. And yeah, I don't know if you noticed, I am Jamaican, so I know what it's like. I know what real Jamaican patty is like. So I'm gonna go to another one. I got an appointment to see one more shop. I'll be going there soon, and I'm gonna see what they're like. Their patty is not too bad. I'm gonna check them out and see what pricings are like. Check them, and then yeah, I'll keep searching. So I'll get back to you guys. Wow, today was a surprise. Today I didn't expect to find National Distribution Center close to me. That was a surprise. So it's all done now. So all I gotta do now is make my list of all the inventory I need to get. So it's funny, the stuff that I was gonna get someone to get me from Jamaica, he normally gets them from National. So some of the stuff I don't need to get from him, I can get them myself here. So which is good. It's one less thing I have to worry about. So I can get that done. So now I gotta make my list of all the stuff I need, and obviously I go on their website and check what they have, and then I can make a list from there as well. Then I go for that, do that, and then I go. So that's it for today, and then tomorrow we go again, then we see how we can go from there. And that's it for now. Next time.